Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the tail light brake bulb. This one over here. You have the signal light and the brake light over here. So we are going to take this off because I have an issue with one of the bulbs and replace it. So firstly we have to take these caps off. As you can see over here, I already took one off and I have to take the other one, and we are going to use a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver. Take this out. It's a little bit hard to do this with just one hand. And now we are going to use a bit. Let's see which one. This one over here. This is T25 bit that we are going to use. It's right over here, and it looks like this. We're going to take this screw back. We are going to take the screw off. So one is already taken off, and now we have to we have to unscrew the other one. Well, tail light wasn't taken off for a long time probably. That's why you can see this squeaky noises. Okay, take this off as well. 1 second. With careful, with patience. And now, after we took this off, these two screws off, we have to move this tail light right at the back using both of the hands. So I'm going to leave this down a little bit, my camera, and take this off. So I took this tail light off. All right, so you have to take this straight off because it has this over here, this thing over here, and that thing over there is going to go inside. So it has to go straight in when you install it and straight out when you're trying to change a bulb. Now we're going to take this off with you have to be very careful doing this. You don't want to break this. Already I have one that is braked, so we don't want to do that again. Actually, I didn't break this. This is the first time I'm changing this bulb on this side. That's it. Yes. This is how it looks. This is the brake bulb over here, and the yellow one is the signaling one, the signal bulb. So now I'm going to change it with another one, a new one. Another thing, when you want to take this bulb off, you have to press a little bit. Press down, and you have to do a slide towards left, and that's it. It's off. Alright, so I bought the proper bulb. I didn't do any mistakes, and now we have to put it back. Just push it, press it, and after that turn right a little bit. And that's about it. I'm going to check it to see if it's working, and that's it. The same thing with the signal light, signal bulb. You can change this as well. The same process. Yeah, perfect. Now let's see if it's working. So this is the signal light over here, the yellow one, and I checked the other one as well, the brake light, and it's working. So this is how you change the bulb. Now the next step is to put everything back. Alright, so now we are placing everything back like it was. You have to be very careful with these ones. You want to break them. You don't want to break them. Alright, on this side we see it's already broken. Alright, on this one over here, and I have to push. That's it. Perfect. And now, like I've told you, we have to slide this back, because this one, this green thing, has to go inside over here. So let's press it. Press it a little bit. Yeah. Perfect. And now we're going to screw this back. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. One tip: when you're screwing this, you have to, in the same time, use the other hand, press it to the side. So it's going to stay in exact position. Alright, so now we are putting these caps back. Perfect. And the other one, so they have two small things that they have to go inside on each side over here. Perfect. That's it.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe.